Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, especially to political theory series. In this video, we will going to discuss different perspectives on democracy. Okay, without wasting our time, let us begin. First, let us understand what is democracy. According to Abraham Lincoln, democracy is government of the people, by the people, for the people. In other words, the democracy is a system of government where people choose their representatives in an election which is conducted on the principles of adult franchise, and the leaders selected by the people will govern the country behalf of the people. Now let us see what people belonging to different ideologies have to say about democracy. Liberals understand democracy in individualist terms. Liberals said in a democratic system, election must be competitive and regular. Government must have the consent of the government. Liberals believe that democracy restricts abuse of power, but they were also afraid that it would turn to a majoritarian tyranny. To prevent democracy from turning into a majoritarian tyranny, liberals suggested a constitutional framework. Conservatives agreed to liberal democratic rule, but with a condition to have mechanism to protect private property and traditional institutions from the revolutionary interests of the majority. But new group within conservative ideology, which is called as New Right, linked electoral democracy to the problems of overgovernment and economic stagnation. Socialists, on the other hand, traditionally endorsed a form of radical democracy based on popular participation and desire to bring economic life under public control. But they criticized liberal democracy as capitalist democracy and said that in a liberal democratic system, only capitalist class enjoy the fruit of governance. But modern social democrats are firmly committed to liberal democratic structure. Anarchists supported direct democracy, means anarchists wanted to have a democratic system where people directly participate in lawmaking process. Anarchists were against to the electoral or representative democracy because according to anarchists, the electoral democracy concealed the elite domination and reconciled the masses to their oppression. Fascists believed totalitarian democracy as true democracy. According to fascists, genuine democracy is an absolute dictatorship because the leader monopolizes ideological wisdom and is alone able to articulate the true interest of the people. Party and electoral competitions are thus corrupt and degenerate. Ecologists have often supported participatory democracy. Dark green brand of environmentalists criticized electoral democracy as a means to impose the interests of the present generation of humans on later generations and other species and nature as a whole. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and equally benefited. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.